Are you ready to supercharge your productivity and creativity with tools that seem straight out of the future? From groundbreaking AI innovations to cutting-edge gadgets, these are the top 10 powerful tools that will blow your mind. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to streamline your everyday tasks, stick around, because these tools will change the way you think about what's possible. Let's dive in. Number 10. Raymond, an ultimate game-changer for narrow aisle operations. The 9600 and 9700 swing reach trucks. These powerhouse machines lift up to 43 feet, offering unmatched stability with a compact three-wheel design. Precise hydraulic controls make handling a breeze, reducing damage and boosting efficiency. With IntelliSpeed optimizing travel at height and IntelliGuide wire guidance, eliminating the need for steering in tight aisles, these trucks are built for peak performance. The auto traverse and rotate functions maximize productivity while minimizing damage. Whether handling pallets or picking cases, these trucks are designed to triple storage capacity, all with legendary quality and innovation. Number 9. Automated Robotic Refueling System. A revolutionary robotic refueling system is a cutting-edge technology that delivers a seamless refueling experience, offering both automatic and manual options. It integrates smoothly with existing payment systems and springs to life when it recognizes a vehicle or through a mobile app. Versatile enough to handle traditional fuels and alternatives like electricity, hydrogen, CNG, and LNG, it's designed for modern drivers. Simply register your vehicle and payment details for quick identification, follow parking instructions upon arrival, and enjoy a fully automated refueling process that you can monitor on screen. Once fueling is complete, a green light signals that you can drive away hassle-free. Number 8. Automated Car Parking System. The automated car parking system is like having your personal valet, but without the wait. As you glide in, cutting-edge sensors and AI-powered algorithms spring to life, scanning your car and effortlessly guiding it to the perfect space. No more circling the lot, cursing under your breath, or battling for those elusive parking spots. Here, every inch is optimized, with cars neatly stacked like books on a shelf, maximizing space in even the busiest urban environments. You step out, and as if by magic, your car glides away to park itself, leaving you free to stroll away and embrace your day. Number 7. AO. Scooter, skates, and bicycle in one AO. The groundbreaking machine from a German company that's set to revolutionize exercise. This incredible fusion of skates, bicycle, and scooter combines the dynamic thrill of inline skating with the safety and convenience of cycling, making it the future of fitness. With handlebars, brake levers, and a basket reminiscent of a bike, the AO features skates attached to the steering column, allowing riders to strap in their regular shoes and zoom forward with an exhilarating skating motion. Unlike traditional scooters that often leave one leg planted, the AO keeps both legs moving, providing an exciting, stable ride while the skates glide freely. Number 6. DJI Flycart 30. DJI Flycart 30, a revolutionary aerial delivery drone designed for efficient cargo transportation to remote locations. With a maximum payload of 30 kilograms, dual batteries for a 16-kilometer range, and speeds of 20 meters per second, this drone excels in challenging environments. It features both cargo and winch modes, ensuring safe payload drops using AR projection. Enhanced with DJI O3 transmission, 4G connectivity, and an FPV gimbal camera, it provides stable live feeds and supports dual operator control for extended range. With advanced obstacle sensing and an integrated parachute for safety, the Flycart 30 sets a new standard in aerial delivery, making logistics straightforward, efficient, and safe. Number 5. Reconfigurable wheel track. Reconfigurable. Wheel track is a groundbreaking innovation set to revolutionize how vehicles adapt to various terrains. Imagine a modular wheel system that seamlessly transforms to handle everything, from rugged off-road trails to smooth pavements and icy roads, enhancing traction and stability at every turn. This advanced technology features adjustable wheel configurations that allow users to switch between different tread patterns and widths effortlessly, optimizing performance based on the driving environment. Developed using cutting-edge materials like thermoplastic elastomers and reinforced composites, the system is lightweight yet incredibly durable. Number 4. Nexus Gravity Roller Spiral Conveyor. Nexus Gravity Roller Spiral Conveyor is an ingenious solution that redefines material handling efficiency in compact spaces. Utilizing the power of gravity, this conveyor system transports goods smoothly along a spiral path, maximizing vertical space while minimizing the footprint required. With a spiral incline that can range from 15 to 30 degrees, it effectively elevates items without the need for complex motorized systems, making it ideal for warehouses, distribution centers, and manufacturing facilities. Constructed with high-quality materials such as steel and corrosion-resistant aluminum, the Nexus Gravity Roller Spiral Conveyor is designed to handle a wide range of products, from lightweight boxes to heavier items, while maintaining a consistent flow. Number 3. Vinoya automatically covers a game-changer in vehicle protection. The Vinoya automatic car cover combines convenience with cutting-edge technology. This isn't just any car cover. It's an automatic shield that wraps around your vehicle with a simple button press. Crafted from high-quality, lightweight materials, it defends against harsh weather, dust, and UV rays, ensuring your car maintains its showroom shine. What sets the Vinoya cover apart is its intelligent deployment system. It detects when your car is parked and springs into action, covering your vehicle without you lifting a finger. Number 2. Poimo, an inflatable electric scooter. Poimo, the inflatable electric scooter that's revolutionizing urban commuting with its innovative design. Lightweight and portable, Poimo quickly inflates to transform from a compact package into a sleek, ready-to-ride scooter in minutes. Powered by an efficient electric motor, it glides effortlessly through crowded streets, making city navigation a breeze. Its durable construction ensures a comfortable ride while being eco-friendly, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional scooters. With Poimo, urban mobility becomes a fun adventure, perfect for those seeking practicality without compromising on style. Number 1. Parking Valet. Parking Robot. Parking Valet. Robot is a game-changing solution that transforms your parking experience into a seamless and stress-free process. This autonomous marvel expertly navigates bustling parking lots with precision, taking the hassle out of finding a spot. Simply summon it via your smartphone and watch as it glides to your location, expertly parks your vehicle in tight spaces, and then returns it when you're ready to go. Equipped with advanced sensors and smart AI, this robot ensures maximum safety and efficiency, revolutionizing urban parking while freeing up your time for what truly matters. Say goodbye to parking woes and hello to the future of hassle-free parking.